name is Kaya, for any of you that are new. Today's video is brought to you by Sam's Beauty. I do want to say thank you to them for sending over today's wig. I'll be reviewing the Stylist Tasty unit in Be Chocolate. So if you guys are interested in watching this install as well as hearing what I think about it, then make sure you continue to watch today's video. And before we jump into the video, go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. I would really appreciate it. Hit the notification bell as well. You'll be notified when I upload. You can also follow me on my socials. They'll be here on my screen as well as in my description bar below. Now let's jump into today's video. Y'all, so here is the finished look. What are we thinking? Go ahead and give me a pause, give me a comment down there and let me know what you think about the wig. Also leave a thumbs up on it as well. So you know, I took it out of the packaging and I was like, wow, color. Like I knew I got the Be Chocolate, okay, so I read the packaging, but I was not expecting the amount of highlighted honey brown on this unit, but I like her. So yeah, the color is very much so out there, but y'all, it's cute. I like it. Let me know what you think of the color in the comment section as well. So this unit, a little bit of information from the stock card. The first thing I want to point out is you have a bunch of lace space to work with, okay? So the unit has a 13 by 6 100% handmade lace frontal space. It also comes with a pre-plucked hairline, and it also has another thing that stood out to me was the brown lace. So it does even say on the unit that it comes with brown HD lace, and y'all, I did not have to add one lick of product to this lace. I am so appreciative of this brown lace and not having to add no makeup, not having to add any lace tint spray. It was there. I was like, great. I love it. So this unit also comes in other colors, because I know some people probably might be like, oh my gosh, too much color for them. That's okay, because they also have it in, of course, your blacks, but they also come in a burgundy, caramel, blonde, forest green, and a purple shade. Okay, so you got some color options on there. It also has baby hairs that are also included. You have your 6-inch parting space and this HD lace that literally melts into your scalp. Okay, so the first thing I noticed about the unit was I literally did not have to do a lot to it for me to put this on my head, and it looks pretty great, and I appreciate that a lot. Okay, so rating this unit, I'm giving her a good 9.5 out of 10. I took a 0.5 rating off only because of the amount of tangles it had, which really wasn't even a lot, but it was a little tangled out that I had to sit here and like comb it out really good. So it is probably going to tangle up on you if you wear it for an extended amount of time, as well as it had just a tad bit, like a little bit of shedding, but that was it. Everything else about this unit is great. So I think I've touched on that lace pretty good. I will give you guys a zoom in look on it because I want you to see how well this lace is. Okay, so pretty much the lace is undetectable. Okay, so I sprayed a little bit of Got To Be Free spray right here, and it got kind of on the hair, which is not what I wanted, but it's okay. But I did that just because I wanted to see how it would melt into the skin with some product, and it melted pretty well. And as you can see, this parting space over here, it's great. Okay, I did add some makeup to it, but I didn't have to do a whole lot to it. I didn't have to pluck it, none of that. So the plucking of this unit was done very, very well. Okay, like I didn't have to do any extra plucking whatsoever. I appreciate that so much. I also didn't even have to do like any cutting or anything to the baby hairs. I kind of just left them how they were, worked with it how it was. Now I did add a little bit of heat to the end pieces because they did come out of the unit a little bit. They came out of the package a little bit curled, and I didn't like that look. So I did straighten it out to make it look more so like the models as well. I think this unit probably falls at about 22 to 24 inches. It is a little bit on the longer side. Just keep that in mind. But y'all, this unit is versatile as well. It does come with that 13x6 lace space. So I put mine on the right side, but you could do a middle, another side, probably pull it back a little bit, have a little portion of your hair pulled back so it would look like a kind of up down do. And can you believe that I did not give myself a middle part? Okay, can we just give a round of applause for that? Because if you watch my videos enough, you know that I am the girl that sticks with her middle part. Okay, I love my middle parts and I just stick with them. I feel like the lace, all of that was really what was like really like appealing to me. That's really what I wanted to see how it was gonna roll with, and the Stylist came through. Okay, it's very, very, very similar to a human hair wig, and you know, on top of that, y'all, this even came out a lot better than like human hair wigs do, and I appreciate that. So for this to be on the affordable side, they did so much work to this that you can literally put it on and go, and I appreciate that. I don't know how long the unit may last. I'm hoping that it'll last a good minute. I tend to try to take care of my synthetic units because I try to get at least 2 to 3 months of wear out of them. And what I would recommend is just, you know, throughout the day, keep a comb with you, probably keep a brush with you, something to just like kind of get rid of those tangles, since the texture of the hair is more so on that yucky side. It does have more of like a blowout feel to it. It is not silky at all, so you want to make sure you keep combing through it so that it doesn't get tangled. And then just make sure when you take it off at the end of the night or end of the day, comb it out as well. Don't let it sit overnight with the tangles in it. Just go ahead and brush all of that out. But yeah, let me give you guys a 360 view of the unit. It's what the front of the wig is looking like, and this is a left side view. This is a right side view. And then we give you the back. So I did go in on with some heat as well, just to flatten out my roots a little bit, because I knew I was bringing that parting space back some, and I wanted the front to kind of stay a little bit higher up so it would give me a little bit more volume here. But I did flatten out the rest of it just so it lays pretty flat and looks pretty natural. But yeah, you guys, that completes today's wig review. If you guys are interested in this unit, make sure you check out Sam's Beauty. I will have the link in my description bar below so you can get you one of these units. If you don't want the color, they do have some other colors for you to try. But that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate y'all, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.